Alright, now if you want to get started with HTML, you need a code editor. You might have a code editor installed already, but if you don't, my personal preference is Visual Studio Code. But if you don't prefer it, if you prefer any other code editor, you can go for it. It really doesn't matter. So after downloading a code editor, just go to any folder or anywhere, honestly. Then right click on your mouse, go to new, and then just create a new text document. Then you have to rename it to whatever you want. I'm going to go with index. Now, this is really important. You have to end it with .html. Otherwise, it wouldn't really work. Enter. Yes. Now, you have to right click on it again. Go to open with, and then whatever code editor you're using. So I'm going to press on Visual Studio Code. And you have successfully created an HTML file and you now have the ability to use it. So let's just say something. I am very happy. Now you might wonder how you're supposed to open it. To open it, you just need to go back to the folder you opened the text file in. Just click on open. And yeah, that's how you get started with HTML. If this video helped you guys in any way, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section.